I am Liz, and this is Piggy's Beauty Project. We are doing random acts of kindness this week. And to be quite honest, I didn't do anything. I had planned to, just didn't get a chance. It's been sort of a hectic week, as you might know, and just didn't happen. But I'll tell you what I was planning to do, and it's something that I do fairly regularly. And I wish more people did this, and that is to compliment people. And I don't mean compliment your significant other, or your mom, or, friends. I mean strangers. Because that's, first of all, that makes it more random. It's truly random. And I think we've all had that experience where someone has come up to us and said something, your hair is really beautiful, that color is perfect on you, I like your voice, whatever. That, it really makes your day. What can be better than brightening someone's day? So, that is what I was planning to do. I just didn't get a chance. But I did have some fantastic acts of kindness towards me and my boy. And that is, I did a video and I asked people anywhere I could think of, on blog, Twitter, wherever, to send my boy a birthday card to make his birthday extra special bright. And he's gotten so many cards so far, and I know there's several more on their way, and I want to show you some of what he's gotten. There's more coming. I'm going to make a whole video about it on my channel in a few days when I get all the cards. But here's what he's gotten so far.
Here is Liam's birthday wall so far. I know there's at least 4 or 5 more things coming, but I really think the holiday on Monday made it more difficult because people couldn't send. Plus, it sort of created a backlog so that things are taking a little longer. So here is Samantha's. Isn't that cute? And then Marben's, which has a really sweet note. And then he made this beautiful the envelope, and he made this awesome pen, which Liam has not let go of yet. But I will show it in the video I post on my own page. Along with, once we get, I'm going to wait a few more days just to let everything get here, and then I will try and edit together a video of everything, because I've been recording him opening them and reading the cards, and hopefully I'll be able to piece it together in some sort of manner. Oh, and this one's really cool. This is from Clueless and Catfish, and it's an Indian head penny from 1887. So far, we're going to leave it up here. But since we homeschool, it was a really great chance to talk about currency and a great chance to talk about history, and see if this is something, coin collecting is something he'll be interested in. So, it's mixed in with his drawings. He loves to put his drawings on his own wall. Well, he puts them, they're kind of all over the house. We have a wall in the living room that's for drawings. We have, he puts them on his sister's door, and then on his wall. This is a 5-headed dragon. It's a rainbow, and this is his daddy. Drawing is sort of a new thing for him. So, my favorite drawing, though, is this one. This is a volcano, and this is a big no sign. In other words, No volcanoes allowed in his room.